sa Canada na si Art. Taray.
Dream come true, another unlock, another opportunity na talaga to kasi real na real, nasa Canada na po tayo. So kinabahan ako kanina talaga, but successful. A little bit interview, not too much, but still I have a little bit kaba. So mga kahat, so more videos and more travel here in Canada, and excited ako mag-vlog dito sa Calgary, Canada.
Welcome to Canada. You can go to Calgary.
Nika and si Blaine. Itong area na to, ang kanilang international arrival area. Yan, hindi siya ganun kalaki. Doon banda, doon yung kanilang local arrival area. This area ang kanilang local arrival area dito sa kanilang airport in Calgary. So meron din silang parking area para sa mga susundo sa kaibigan o kapamilya dito sa Calgary Airport. Yes, paglabas mo masusurprise ka kasi ang linis at saka ibang-iba yung atmosphere, of course, kumpara sa Pilipinas na parang masukal na kagad yung sasalubong sa'yo, parang magulo. Dito hindi, maaliwalas siya. So parang sa Japan din, maaliwalas din, pero ang kaibahan niya dito land area, sa Japan kasi nasa dagat yung airport. So
I know it's just how it feels. Like getting in a new country and that. I know it's just how she
I'm
feels.
very excited.
Yeah.
My happiness is overflow.
Oh yeah. Well, I guess you're
That's right.
right.
That's
The main highway over here. The GPS is
nice. Oh,
sa malalaking bill.
Sa atin malalaki, no?
Punta ka sa mall.
Mm-mm.
Sila
Okay lang, sige. Jollibee tayo.
Tagal mo. Sawa na sa Canadian food. Eh, may shit.
Oh, so Jollibee in Canada.
Yeah. Maraming bit.
Siyempre, lahat ng crew ay Pilipina. Yan, mga crew nila is mga Pilipina. Yan, drop by kami dito. Bili kami ng fresh vegetable, fresh from the farm. So, ito yung binili namin. Cucumber in Canada. There's a cheese, $12, and also this one is cheese. The strawberry here in Canada, and cherry. Yeah. It's a locally made all-purpose flour. Kanilang talong, it's so thick. Talong ng Canada, it's so thick. You see? Ayan. The spinach, oh. Spinach. Fresh. It's similar in Japan. It's fresh also. Ayan. Self-service. So, sa store na to, para siyang honesty store. Wala siyang bantay, pero may CCTV. Tapos pag magbabayad ka, wala siyang cash. Card lang siya. We'll try one. They eat it fresh. Let's try. Try this one. Fresh. Ready to eat.
No, I don't know.
No, we got. You got.
Plain eat it like this. And it's already washed.
It really tastes good. So delicious. Very natural and organic. It's a very organic. This is what you can see during summer season here in Alberta, Canada, month of July. So first week of July to. Itong shoot na to. Yan, summer in Alberta. See the agriculture product of Canada. It's canola plants, so it produces the canola oil. Yeah, so this is my first time to see the canola plants in real life. So it's so mesmerizing and very relaxing, especially when it's fully bloom. It's color yellow. Very mesmerizing siya. Ayan, during summer season, makikita mo yung ektaryang canola plants dito sa may Alberta, Canada. Yan yung ano niya, look niya when it's not fully bloom. When it's fully bloom, color yellow na siya. At pagka fully ripe na siya, it's color golden brown na yung itsura niya. Ito ang aking first experience, first day ko sa Canada during summer season here in Alberta. So ayan, parang feeling ko nasa nasa YouTube. Yung itsura niya, very mesmerizing talaga siya, and it's so amazing. See you next time again to my YouTube channel, Art Iba Pa. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have a time, paki-share na rin yung ating share button below. Thank you!